What's up, guys? Trey Johnson here. Today we're going to be doing another DIY video with my buddy Taylor. Okay, so we'll be teaching him how to do doorknobs. He just recently got a new house and he's trying to secure the house a little bit better. So tune in. I'll give you a thumbs up.
Oh, it's play. Oh. Cut that. For today's project, we're gonna need a variety of different tools. So I've got a saw, a level, a hammer, pliers, bolt cutters, a tape measure, and some safety gloves. So I think that's all we're gonna need to get this going.
DB, it says 1 tool installation. I think you just need a screwdriver.
Oh. Well,
Good thing I have one of those.
All right, so we got the tools, we got the supplies. We're gonna make our way downstairs. So my buddy, this is his new house like I mentioned before, and he has 3 bedrooms downstairs. He has roommates that want to have a little better security so they can lock their doors when they go to work. So let's start with the first door. So these are the type of doors that we'll be switching out, okay? So, so we'll be installing the Kwikset doors, and he got these at Menards for about 10 bucks. He wanted to make sure that they stayed silver so it matched the ones that we're taking out. So the first thing we're gonna do is just unscrew these. It's pretty simple and pretty easy. These aren't the highest quality of doors, so it's not gonna be very difficult to put these in. The reason I know how to do it is because when I bought my house, I made sure all the outside door locks were changed.
So we got the door handle out. And
Trey, do you need the hammer?
No! So now the installation part. This is pretty easy. You just want to make sure it's lined up. Luckily, he already had Kwikset, so it's not going to be too difficult to get these in. So now it's on, and all we have to do is screw the opposite side. Okay, obviously we put the lock side facing inside the room. So the most difficult part I had to work through when I was putting door handles on my house was trying to get the screw to fit exactly right, but it doesn't seem like we're gonna have that problem here.
Good job, son. Keep it up. Great.
So let's test this out and see if it actually worked. I can't get in. All right, let's start with the second door now.
No.
Now we're gonna go and do. All right, now we're off to door number 2. It's time for the second door. Let's go do it.
Perfect.
All right, so now we have TB working on a door because this is his house and he should learn how to do this. How do you feel about it, man?
Easier than I thought.
Exactly, and this is why we're doing these videos. These are simple DIYs for simple folks, right? I said right?
That's right.
So now he's attempting to install it, being extremely forceful with it. It's kind of, it should just guide in there.
Getting the hammer.
Let's test it out.
Finally to the last door. And we did it. That was the last one. And Taylor is gonna decide if he wants to, but I definitely recommend keeping all of the handles that you did have previously, because you never know when something malfunctions or if you want to even go back to it. So we got it all done. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Make sure if you like the video, like and subscribe, and hit that little bell for me, all right?
Ting.